Welcome this video. Easy and beautiful pot decoration idea. Decoration flower pots is a fun and creating a way to add charm to your gardening balcony or indoor space. Whether your work with clean or tropical pots, then are controllers a way to transforming simple yard into style and high sketch decor price. You can need to be a end pot or hand fan tool just a little creating and a few material. Here are some easy and beautiful pot decoration idea you can try at home. Magical pot. It's a beauty and easy way to give pot a detailed, elegant design. All you need is modes, bring and some paper calcs. It's paper cut out your favorite design and colored theme onto the pot surface, smoke out and about. Add a top layout to gum to sub the design. This technology works great or even style full or even theme paper for holiday and seasoning. Dot art for those who enjoy draw or contemplate make or flower paints. Dot to any pots. Choose simple palette design and even write your favorite cottage. Start with the little and light color base as your artwork start out. This is a relaxed action and make each pouch unique your natural inspired touch. Bring the outdoor is by decoration pots with natural elements, gum and on below. Back price or flower. Use a stone and set it with the clean